Okay, well, the cleaning continues here at Miuta House. It's got a long ways to go, and this is going to be a long project, but let's take a look at how it stands right now. Lining up some things along the outside of the house in case anybody wants to take them home. There's so many cups and plates and all sorts of things. It's just a waste to throw them away, but there's so much of it in just about every house here that everybody's got pretty much as much as they need, much more than they need. There's just no place to put it all. Entryway filling up with half sorted things, looking back into the kitchen, and still more plates, more teapots, so many teapots. I've already taken out, somewhere between 10 and 15 truckloads. And there's still plenty more where that came from. The cleaning up of this house is going to be one of the biggest tasks. The repair itself is also going to be quite a big task on this place. Floor is sunken in here. The old carpenter's workshop on this side of the house. Couldn't even see through to the window on that side, or rather, when I opened the door on that side, you couldn't see to this side. So crammed full of stuff. Toilet back behind these doors. And a little bathtub. And the door out the back. It's like a jungle out the backside. There's actually a little bit more. Back out this door, the old well down here, and this add-on kitchen space out the back. Lots more cleaning up to do out here.